another video. Today we're gonna do a super exciting unboxing because Pinky Pink Wednesday is back. We are going to unbox on this Pinky Pink Wednesday this beautiful Monster High Fearbook Draculaura. Yay! So with no more talking, y'all know the drill. We're gonna take this beauty and get her out of the box. First, I'm going to show you her box and everything up close in case you didn't see my shorts where I showed her. Here is the side. I love that the Monster High is in pink, pinky pink. And then look at her adorable box art. So cute. And then down here where it says Fearbook with the hollow iridescent. Love that. And then here she is in her box with all her cute stuff. Now the side says Monster High Fearbook here. And then the back has the cute little Fearbook, and it has Toralei and Twyla, and it has all the stuff. After Ghoul Activity Director Spotlight. That's what she is. Why did I join the movie making club? I love sinking my teeth into a good script. Oh, that's cute. And then there is her box art. Super duper cute. And for anybody who's wanting to try and find her, there's her barcode. Got my trusty scissors here. We're just going to take her out of the box off camera and then come back to you when she's all deboxed jail. Here she is, all out of her box jail. Cute little Fearbook Draculaura. I love her already, y'all. First, let's go through her little accessories. Look at this. I love the little director cone. It is so cute, and it has the little thing there where she can hold it. Love when they do that. That's one of my favorite things. Like if you're gonna make an accessory, make it where the doll can actually hold it. So there that is. Loving that. Super duper cute and pink. And then here we have her little pinky pink skullette. I love this accessory. This is so cute. Has a hole in the bottom, but there that is. Super duper cute. And then here's the little clapboard. I love this. I love everything with this though. I love that it has the drips there on the top and then the little clappy. It actually does work. I didn't think it worked. Love that. That's so cute. And then it says Director Draculaura and then Camera Ghoul. Oh, that's so cute. And then on the back, it also has spider webbing. That is so cute. Love it. And then here is the little script page. It says The Cursed Bat. And it has like a little ring like she had a coffee on it. It's just cardboard, but it's still super cute. I might put some tape over that to protect it, but I love stuff like this. So detailed. And then here's her little eye coffin with the light ring in the shape of the skullette on a stand, and the stands are bones. Is that not the cutest? Oh, I love it. 360, all detailed. I love this accessory. This part moves a little, but this part is just stationary, but still super cute. And then here is her Fearbook Draculaura Monster High. Look at the inside. Oh, so super cute. Look at that. Love it. Creeperific Monster High there on the back. Now this is like heavy cardstock or cardboard. It's bent a little, but what can you do in packaging? That's gonna happen. But I love this. And again, I might cover this with some like packing tape or something like that to protect it. But love it. Then last accessory, and might be my favorite, not sure, but I do really love it, is this little like Letterman jacket style. Cutie cute there with the like comedy and tragedy masks on it, and then the little Draculaura print over here. Now this feels like fake felt here. This feels more like a nylon-y kind of material, the ribbing up here and the like dark fuchsia, and then the sleeves here feel like a faux satin in the black there. Doesn't have anything on the back, just straight pink, but super duper cute. Love it. Now I do have to say that the stand she is on is mine. I got it from Temu. I ordered those. I told you guys that so that I could have stands for my Draculauras because they don't come with stands. I just wanted y'all to know that she did not come with the stand. Now let's take a close-up look at this Fearbook Draculaura. I'm going to show you her hair first. This is how it came out of the box. I did not brush it or do anything to it. Looks pretty good, and it feels like it's the good, I guess, saran hair or maybe the good quality nylon. I'm not sure which, but it's definitely not the poly that nobody likes. And I love the black and pink blend. Super cute. And since we're up here, look at her adorable little beret hat with the spider webbing on it and the cute little Draculaura bow heart emblem. Super duper cute. Now let's look at her adorable face. I love the little half side swept bang. Super duper cute. And her little beauty mark. So adorable. Her makeup has kind of like a lilac color over here and then pink on the rest. She has really soft, sweet blushing, and then her bright pink lips, adorable. Love, love, love Draculaura's face. And of course, since she's pink, pinky pink, she's one of my favorites. I just love her. She's so adorable. Now for her articulation, she has the up, down, side, side, all around, head and neck joint. She also has the upper body articulation on the swivel. Love that. That's one of my favorites. She has the shoulder joint, up, down, back and forth, 360, except I can't make it 360 because she has the jacket on. She also has the elbow joint and the wrist joint that goes back and forth, up and down, and all around. She also has the in, out, back and forth at the hip joint, and then the standard single joint at the knee there. Let's take a look at her accessories now. We already checked out the hat, but here are her adorably cute heart earrings with some little detailing on it. Super duper cute. And then she has this pink choker with a little heart and the little rivets on it as well. Here's the other earring, same as the other one. And she has this adorable jacket here. I don't know how well you can see that, but look, it has spider webbing on it as well. Love, love, love that. And this is made out of that pleathery material that doesn't hold up as well as we would hope. But this actually feels a little thicker and nicer than some of the things like that I've felt in the past. So I'm happy about that, and I love how detailed. Look at that. It has the like scalloping there on the collar here. Super duper cute. And they actually took the time to hem the sleeves, which I love. Let's take a look at her cute little tennis shoes. They are like the high ones with the thick bottom. They have cute detailing on them. They have the bat bow that I love, the Draculaura bat bow, and then they have the faux zip on the front there. They also have spider web patterning. Didn't paint it, the detail, but you can see that it's there. And then there's other patterning over here with the little heart on the heel, and then another heart there, and another heart there. And let's look at the bottoms. Oh, how cute are those? They got the hearts. Super duper cute. Now, I'm not usually a fan of the big chunky like tennis shoes, especially with a dress, but these are kind of cute. But I still think I would prefer her to have some heels on with this outfit and like a different kind of like more sporty outfit with these shoes. But that's just me. All of us dolly collectors are different, but I do love the pinky pink shoes. Now, I took the jacket off her so we could get a closer look at her outfit, but I thought I would show in more detail her little jacket now that it's off of her. It is super duper cute. Here she is without the jacket, and now you can see the 360 there at the shoulder. And let's check out this adorable little outfit she has on. I love this material. This material is so super cute. I love the patterning on it with the fancy heart here and then the little black hearts as well. And then it has the ruching on the side with the little bows and then the little ruffle at the bottom. So adorable. Look at that. And I love that it goes all the way around, no cheaping out, like not having the patterning on the back. And both pieces have the soft, thin Velcro that we love, the top and the bottom. And then her little straps are pink satiny ribbons that are so super cute. The only thing that isn't hemmed on this is the ruffle here. And it's because it's so small and how they cut it, it would be almost impossible to hem that. But it is hemmed here at the bottom of the skirt, which I appreciate as a seamstress. I love when they hem stuff. It's also hemmed here and hemmed here and all around the top. So that should hold up pretty good for a long time. I love, love, love the outfit. It is so adorable. I just can't get over how cute she is. And I wanted to spotlight her adorable little pointy bat elfie ears. I just love those. I also have to mention I love this extra detail here of the satin ribbon down the front that has the little black and white hearts with the dots. That is so super cute, and they could have left that off, but they didn't, and I love that they didn't. So here is this absolutely beautiful, just look at her stunning face, Fearbook Draculaura, head to toe, loving her front and back, all around. The only thing I would do is brush her hair out, maybe give it a wash and make the box hair bumps go away. But other than that, I think she's perfect and I just love her. And I wanted to show y'all, since I took off her other jacket, what her other jacket looked like on her. I think it's super duper cute, y'all. Look at it. So either jacket with her cute little outfit works for me. I just love that. So for me, this Draculaura Fearbook girl gets a 10. Sorry, love her, love everything about all her accessories. There's nothing I would change. There's nothing I don't like. Like I said, I would prefer if she had heels on, but that's just a nitpicky thing for me as a collector. I just think it looks better when they have heels, when they have a cute dress on. Other than that, absolutely love her. 100% would say if you're on the fence about her, quality is great. Nothing that was like cheaped out in this one, so super happy about it. The only thing I could say is it would be great if they had stands, but I get those stands in like packs of 10 for like $2 or $3 off of Temu, so I don't think that that's gonna make me not get these. For $24.99, that's what she costs. I think she is on point. Love, love, love this awesome Draculaura. We did it, y'all! Finally, Pinky Pink Wednesday made its return. I have been promising it. I just had to get around to it. So I did. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge Pinky Pink Wednesday love to all you watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, 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 huge Pinky Pink Wednesday subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. Y'all really, truly are the best. I cannot believe our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family has grown so big because of y'all coming along, hitting that button saying, boop, we like your Dolly silliness, Dolly craziness, Dolly loveliness, and Dolly goodness you get up to. So I have to say, thank you so much for the likes, the comments, the sharing, all the little things y'all do. Y'all are the best. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, which is over 9,000 as I'm filming this video, which I'm super duper excited about. Thank you guys so much. It's so wonderful that we have come from all over the world to share our Dolly goodness together. So if you want to become part of Pinky Pink Wednesday, DIYs, custom dolls, makeovers, thrift hauls, shorts that show all the new Dolly stuff that I can find for y'all, all that Dolly goodness, I put it together right here for y'all. And I hope I've created a fun and safe, happy Dolly space where we all can come and share. So if you want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, come along and join us because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always, always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this awesome Fearbook Draculaura Pinky Pink Wednesday. So y'all know what I'm going to say. Happy, happy dolling, happy Dolly day, and bye, y'all.